Well, congratulations, guys, on winning the Innovation Excellence Award for Metromatics. Obviously, innovation's at the core of what you do. Can you tell us a bit about the award-winning products?
Yeah, so what we did was take a text-to-voice thing, which has been around for a long time, but what we did was enhance it to something that is, more easily installed. So traditionally that product goes in the ground, but what we did was take that and make it so that we can just bolt it in the ground and work with it. It's basically for Disability Act. It helps hearing and visually impaired people so they can find, mainly for the train systems, where the next train or bus is, but certainly we can also apply that product to tourist information centres or hotels or any sort of other public information thing where disability people might need that product. So.
Well done. And what does this mean to your team?
It means it actually rewards them for what they've done over the years, because we've been doing this now for over 15 years, and we've sort of refined our product, we've added to it, we've made it a product that now the people want. We can sell this worldwide, so makes a lot.
And I understand you've got offices in Sydney, Melbourne, all around Australia and even Auckland. Why is your head office here in Moreton Bay?
Well, we decided to set up in Moreton Bay. We were in Brisbane, and we moved out of Brisbane mainly because of the expansion. And it's a nice place to be, and most of our employees live in this region, so that's why we moved here, and it's growing.
And it's been an award-winning move.
It has been.
Oh, congratulations. That's fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank
well
you.
done. Thank you. Thanks very much.